Hey everybody, I have got another pre-order kit from Stampin' Up. Stampin' Up's new catalog is coming out on June the 1st, and they offer this exciting calligraphy kit. So it comes with a stamp set, but it's a standalone kit. You don't have to get the stamp set, but here's the project kit. And basically what it is you've got enough products in this kit to make some cards, and it comes with, well, you have to order separate a Stampin' Up marker, and the colors that coordinate with this kit are Coastal Cabana, and then the new color, which is Lovely Lipstick. So these two colors coordinate with this kit. They come together. I think it's $6. I will look in the catalog and I will post the cost for these pens. They're pretty good pens. They've got the brush tip on one end and then a fine point on the other end. Both of these do. So in this kit, you get instructions on how to make these cards right here on the back. You get some adhesive backed sequins, and what that is they already have the glue dots on the back, so you just peel them off and stick them on your card. You get these gorgeous envelopes. Let me just pull all this out. And there's the Lovely Lipstick, and looks like Grapefruit Grove is new color, and the Coastal Cabana. I'm thinking that that's one of my favorites. And then here's the other style of the Coastal Cabana, probably some Old Olive, Lovely Lipstick. And then you get a third envelope, Coastal Cabana, Old Olive, and this one. Then you get your card bases, and they are here. So we've got five of this style. We probably have 5 of this style. 5 of this style. And 5 of this style. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20. This kit makes 20 cards. Then you've got some laser cut tags. Longer one. See, this one's a different size, an oval, and then that one's different. So you've got some laser cut labels. Several sheets of those. And what I like about this kit is it has these practice sheets. And basically what it's doing is teaching us how to do calligraphy lettering. And this one down at the bottom, it says page 1, basic strokes. So let's see. And you want to use your brush tip for that one, and you just practice. Oop, that wasn't very good. So it's heavy stroke and up. Looks like I'm going to need lots of practice. So here you've got your basic strokes, more basic strokes. You've got your letters, more letters. 5 sheet, number 5 sheet says letters. 6 sheets letters. 7 sheets letters, 8 sheets letters, 9 sheet letters. The 10th sheet says letters, 11th sheet says letters, 12th sheet says letters, and then the 13th sheet says special characters. So that's that, and then this is the stamp set that coordinates with this card kit. You don't have to buy it, and what it is a stamp set that is in calligraphy, and it's red rubber or clear mount. There's 2 different types. There's wood mount where they're already mounted on wood. Then there's the red rubber or clear mount, which means you mount them to a clear block. And then there's the photopolymer, which are see-through, that you can see. You put them on the block and you can see where you're stamping. So this is the calligraphy essentials kit, and or the stamp set, and then I just showed you the card kit. And I think what I'm going to do with these practice sheets is I am going to copy them, because I evidently really need some practice. And it's all about pressure. You do lots of pressure, or use the side, lots of pressure, and then you let up. Lots of pressure, let up. Lots of pressure, let up. So let's see how we do without a, not very good. That's not too bad. So if you ever thought about wanting to do some calligraphy handwriting, this is a great kit to get you started. So this is available in my online store starting June 1st. It was a pre-order for us as a demonstrator. If you want to become a demonstrator, you can also sign in under me, and you can get this kit as one of your freebies. It's $99 to join. You get $125 worth of product, plus they give you the essentials to get you started in card making and your Stampin' Up business. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me by my email, and all that will be linked down below. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel so you can get future notifications of videos that I have put out upcoming. And I hope y'all have a really great rest of your weekend. Bye.